move. Life is a move. Life is a move. Y'all niggas see what we on, bro. This that shit, boy. This is that shit. Hold up. Before you eat, you always gotta say your prayers, man. Always, always.
Boring.
What's good, YouTube? DYP back with another video. Just picked up some lunch. Now I got a little POV drive. It was kind of flurrying earlier. I don't know what the weather is right now, but it's a little windy, a little chilly. The rail's hard as hell. Or some shit like that. But yeah. Y'all know where we at. If y'all know the wing spot, y'all know the wing spot. That's my personally favorite wings in Atlanta. I ain't gonna cap. Not cause it's on my side of town, but that shit just hit different, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Every time. JJ's is up there too, though. Don't get me wrong. JJ's is good as fuck. Like, I fuck with JJ's. I be peeping in my videos sometimes. I gotta talk louder. What the hell bro got going on? What the fuck? Yo, bro about to crash out on the block. Ah, shit. Everybody spinning around. What the fuck? That nigga just commit a body or some shit? Oh, hell nah. Damn. Yeah, but I was saying, I be noticing I gotta talk louder in some of my videos cause my shit be so loud, like for real, like I gotta talk louder in the videos and more clear cause my car be over my audio. I'm trying to get more videogetic and shit. As like y'all bear with me, I'm trying to be consistent and shit. I'm trying to get to it, bro. I'm gonna be honest. It ain't easy, but you know, I could definitely be doing better. I'm gonna be honest, I could definitely be doing way better. I be on other platforms too, so you don't have that TikTok. I be on TikTok a little bit. Instagram, I be on Instagram a little bit, not crazy. But I want this YouTube shit to be my shit, for real. I hit the shift a little late right there, bro. Hit the shift a little late right there. 392 spotting. Is that a wide body? I don't think that's a wide body, slim body. Still watching the video, drop a like, subscribe. I'm trying to do more than POV videos. That's why I'm not as consistent as I want to do. Cause I gotta find time in my day and make more than just POV videos. I want vlogs. I fuck with car content, but I ain't no car, you know, I ain't no car nigga. Like, I might have a good car, but I'm not a heavy car guy. You know what I'm trying to say? I'm not a big time car guy. I like cars, don't get me wrong, but I'm not no car geek. Got them shits as my lock screen and shit. Like, I'm not that big on cars. I love cars though, but it's levels to this shit. It's levels to all that. It's like I ain't that high up on that shit. I like other shit too. That's all I'm trying to say. More cars than just a scat though. I want to do POV drives and other shit, you know what I mean? I'm finna somehow goddamn get me a Hellcat. I'm gonna rent out a Hellcat. Fuck it. The little POV driving a Hellcat. I can't even handle a Hellcat for real. That shit not easy. I feel like I could, but I know that shit. It's gonna take some time to get used to that shit. I ain't trying to go too crazy because this ground dude, like, he'll slide me right off this shit. No cap. What the fuck was that? Yo! Oh shit! Yo! Oh shit, gang, what the fuck going on? Ah, hell nah. I'm trying to get to the crib. What the fuck? Oh, hell nah. I'm chilling, but damn. That shit scared the hell out of me. I ain't gonna count. Damn. Y'all seen that shit? I know y'all seen that shit. If you still tuned into the video, drop a like, comment, subscribe. It's been a good little video, chill shit.